straddling the lanes. Straddling the lanes can be a little dangerous if you got traffic going through the circle with you. And there we go. We got a merge. And you should be at 80 by the time you reach this sign here. There we go. Nice. So up here in the north, when you're on the highways, you want to be scanning those ditches too for any animals. Didn't have to worry about that in Toronto.
I mean, what's the most animals like Toronto has? Like the pit?
With a lot of black squirrels.
Yeah. Squirrels are just like everywhere.
I know. They say the road of life is paved with flat squirrels who couldn't make a decision.
You know, I'd honestly believe that.
Here, you stay close to the white line.
Got it.
Because there are over there to the white line. Because there's 2 lanes here. It's not obvious because the turning lane is it's all faded, right?
Yeah.
So you just kind of use the side of the road to help you stay in your own lane.
And we're back to 1, I think.
Pardon me?
And we're back to like 1 lane, I guess.
Yeah, back to 1 lane. Until we're not. Up ahead, you see the 2 lanes, right?
Yep.
So this one here, we stay in this lane all the way down to the next exit. The right lane is for going out to Chemi. Zilda.
Yeah.
A lot of pickup trucks here, eh? Sudbury?
Actually, yeah.
Big ones too, like with the lifted and everything.
My dad's got like a truck. Oh, good lord. Okay.
All right. Diesel.
Yeah.
Your dad what?
My dad doesn't have like a pickup truck, but we do have like a truck.
Yeah. You get to drive it, or?
I mean, I can. I have. It's just like extremely rarely because I'm not like super comfortable with it.
Yeah, they're big to park too. Like if you're going to the grocery store, it's annoying.
Yeah, I'm not. I don't know. Parking's something I need to work on anyway, so I just try to not drive it.
I only drove a pickup truck once. I had to rent one. And I didn't like it. It was a big Dodge Ram. Here you want to accelerate.
Right.
And use up your lane here.